One of the best ways to unify a garden is by using bold lines and shapes. The strong geometry of the Angle Amphitheater and Page Rollins White Garden stitches the two areas together with a bond that begins with the center point of the amphitheater patio. Everything flows out from that point. The bold but less dramatic shapes in the Charlotte Brodie Discovery Garden help draw you into the garden with a strong definition of paths and edges. In our last example, the Bloomquist Garden of Native Plants takes another approach and builds character through the use of a soft geometry that follows the lay of the land. Garden shapes can be combined in endless ways to build a unique garden character. It's your choice.